Currently, the issue of logging worldwide is a matter of concern. Unplanned logging is causing a serious decline in forest ecosystems. Especially in India, the forest area in this country is alarmingly decreasing. The main reasons are due to illegal logging, natural disasters, and fires. Therefore, this video aims to show readers how forest protection processes are being implemented in this country. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Forest resources are an important part of the ecosystem and have great significance for humans. Forests provide us not only with a large quantity of wood products, but also are home to many rare and valuable plant and animal species. Therefore, monitoring and protecting forest resources is extremely important. This is a scene where forest rangers in India are carrying out their patrol duties. Monitoring and patrolling forest resources helps us to better understand the forest status, recognize unusual changes in the ecosystem, and provide appropriate solutions to protect the resources. Activities such as measuring forest area, counting the number of trees and animals, analyzing soil and water samples will help us accurately evaluate the forest situation. In addition, protecting forest resources is necessary to ensure sustainable development and not to affect the living environment of the organisms in the forest. This requires us to apply protective measures such as limiting excessive logging, planting trees after harvesting, preventing forest fires, and minimizing the impact of humans on the forest environment. The issue of forest fires is a significant problem in India, and it is one of the places in the world with the highest incidence of forest fires. Every year, thousands of hectares of forests are destroyed, causing severe damage to the environment and the livelihoods of local people. To address this problem, forest fires need to be quickly and effectively extinguished. Fighting forest fires requires the professionalism, capacity, and skills of firefighting personnel. They must have adequate equipment and tools, from fire-resistant clothing to water pumps and water trucks, to ensure that firefighting operations are carried out efficiently. In addition, prevention and mitigation activities to reduce human impact are also essential. The government also needs to implement environmental protection policies and encourage people to engage in forest protection activities. In reality, firefighting in India still faces many difficulties due to difficult terrain, accessibility, and lack of funding. However, the acceptance and collaboration of all stakeholders are necessary to solve the problems of forest fires and protect forest resources in the country. This Indian man is a shining example of environmental protection and saving Mumbai from the negative impacts of climate change. He is planting 4,000 trees in a large area in Mumbai to reduce the effects of air pollution and increase CO2 absorption. With his love and passion, he spends every day taking care of growing trees and has received support and encouragement from the community. In addition, he calls on everyone to join this movement towards a green and sustainable Mumbai. These efforts have contributed significantly to improving air quality in Mumbai and enhancing the city's resilience to the impact of climate change. It is a concrete example of love and concern for the environment. Educating people on forest conservation is a critical activity in India, where there are vast and rich forests that play a crucial role in protecting the land and providing economic and livelihood benefits for the people. However, India faces many challenges in forest conservation, such as deforestation, illegal logging, and forest fires. To address these issues, the participation of all stakeholders is needed, and educating people on forest conservation is one of the important solutions. Forest conservation education programs have been implemented across forest areas, particularly in areas with serious deforestation. Educational activities such as demonstrations, modeling, organizing workshops, training, and communication are being carried out to increase awareness and responsibility of people in forest conservation. Monitoring of forest logging by local people in India is a crucial activity to ensure the protection of forest resources and support sustainable development of the economy and community. The Indian government has implemented several programs to monitor forest logging and promote the participation of non-governmental organizations and local communities. Monitoring activities include checking the logging process, ensuring compliance with forest protection regulations, and ensuring that logging activities by local people are sustainable and beneficial to the environment and community. Additionally, the government has strengthened training and information provision on forest logging procedures for local people. All of these efforts will contribute positively to the protection and sustainable development of forest resources in India. To achieve safe solutions in forest resource protection, countries around the world need to have measures in place to prevent illegal logging and to prepare for natural disasters. Educating people to be aware of forest protection is a prerequisite for future generations. If planting trees brings profound human values, planning to protect forests is ultimately a prerequisite for economic development and environmental improvement. Not only India, but all other countries, forest resource protection always goes hand in hand with the economic development of the country. If it is a lesson for human values, if you agree with this perspective, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive interesting videos in the future. Goodbye and see you again.